Hi guys, in this video we are going to see how to get all the stair paths. Okay, so basically we are provided with a number which represents how many stairs are present, and we can take at max 3 jumps. That means we can take 1 jump, we can take 2 jump, and we can take 3 jump. And by taking those jumps, we have to determine that how many paths are present to reach that stair which is provided by the user. Okay, so let's say we are having 4 as a number, that this represents that there are 4 number of stairs. Okay, so this is ground, this is not any stair, this is, you can say, 0th. Okay, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. This is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, you are standing here. Okay, you need to get here. This is our destination. You can take 1 jump, 2 jump, or 3 jump. You can take at max 3 jump. Okay, now you need to print all the path using 1 jump, 2 jump, 3 jump, 1 jump, then 2 jump, 1 jump, then 3 jump. Okay, so basically if you take 1 jump, you will reach here. Then if you take 3 jump, let's say you take 3 jumps, so 1, 2, and 3, you will reach your destination. So one path will be 1, 3. If you take 1 jump, then 1 jump, then 1 jump, then 1 jump, your path will be 1, 1, 1, and 1. Understood? If you take 2 jump, then 2 jump, then 2, 2. So basically you need to print all the paths. Okay, so how we are going to do this? We will solve this problem using recursion, and we will draw the tree. We will draw the tree. Okay, let's say we have 3 number of stairs. Okay, you are standing at 0 and you have 3 number of stairs. You have taken 1 jump, you have taken 2 jumps, and you have taken 3 jumps. Okay, you can take 3 jumps. We will check every stair for 3 cases, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so if you have taken 1 jump, then then how many stairs are left? 2 stairs are left. Understood? 2 stairs are left. If you are standing, let me draw this again. 0, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so yeah, this is our destination. Okay, if you have taken 1 jump, then how many stairs are left? 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Okay, so 2 stairs are left. If you have taken 2 jump, that means you are present here. Then how many stairs are left? 1. And if you have taken 3 jumps, then how many stairs are left? 0 number of stairs are left. And whenever we will get 0 number of stairs left, 0 stairs left, what we will do? We will simply return that we got 1 path, and that path we will simply in question our format is to return an array list. Okay, so we have to return an array list. So what we will do is I will come to this part. Okay, let me draw the tree. We will take 1 jump, we will take 2 jump, we will take 3 jump. Okay, after taking 1 jump, 1 stair will be left. After taking 2 jumps, 0 stairs will be left. And after taking 3 jumps, minus 1 stairs are left, and this is a wrong number of stairs. Minus 1 is not a number. Okay, how can minus 1 stairs can be left? So we have to check for this base condition and this base condition. Okay, so these two conditions are our base case. Now for one jump, for 2 jump, and for 3 jump. For 1 jump, 0 stairs will be left. For 2 jump, minus 1 stairs will be left. For 3 jumps, minus 2 stairs will be left. Okay, now for 1, we can take 1 jump, 2 jump, 3 jump. For 1 jump, 0 stairs will be left. For 2, minus 1 stairs will be left. And for 3, minus 2 stairs will be left. Okay, now this will be our whole tree. Okay, And what we have to do, we have to write the base condition. We have to write the base condition which will determine which path is correct and which path is wrong. Okay, so this path is wrong, this is wrong, this is wrong, this is wrong, this is wrong, because minus stairs is not a number. Okay, so what we will do is, whenever we will reach 0, that means we got a path. Okay, we got a path. We will return a array list which contains empty string. We will do our work in post order. That is, firstly we will call our left, not left. Firstly, we will check for 1 jump, 2 jump, and 3 jump. Then we will do our work. Okay, then we will do our work. And our work is to check that the array list which is returned by taking one number of jump, the array list which is returned from one number of jump is correct or not. How is it going to be correct? If its size is greater than 1. Okay, if its size is greater than 1, greater than 0, greater than 0. If its size, because this is the only condition which we can throw by the base case. This is our base case. We need to return something which can be determined by this one. How this one will get determined that 0 is the correct path and minus 1 is the wrong path? How? So we need to return an array list which contains something. Okay, and minus 1 will return an array list which does not contain anything. Okay, so the size of array list which will be get returned by minus 1 is 0, and the size of array list which is getting returned by 0 will be 1. Understood? So this is the condition which we are going to check at this stage. So this is how we are going to proceed this question. Okay, so at 0 we will return an array list containing empty string. Okay, at minus 1 we will return an array list, empty array list, whose size is 0. Minus 2 is also going to return an empty array list. This minus 1, this minus 1, this minus 2. This 0 will return an array list containing empty string. This 0 is going to return an array list containing empty string. Okay, now 1 will determine that, yeah, I got an array list which contains something. Okay, so what this will do is, this one will add this one. Will add this one in front of this array list. How? We will traverse to this array list. This array list is got returned. Okay, we are having this array list. We will traverse this array list and we will add 1 before every element of this array list, because firstly we have taken one step. And then we found something. Okay, we found something. Then we will add 1 and then whatever we found. Okay, we will add 1 and then whatever we found, whatever this array list will return. Okay, so 1 plus and the every element of that array list. For this we will not do anything. For this we will not do anything. For this, okay, for this one, what this 2 will do, this 2 will add this 2 plus every element of this array list. Okay, every element of this array list. That means what? Let me write up clear. Okay, so for 0, okay, we are returning an empty array list. Okay, and let's say this is obtained by taking one step. So what we will do is, we will traverse to this array list. This array list contains one element, so this will be traversed one number of time, and we will get the element present in that array list, which is empty string. Okay, we will add 1 in front of that array list element, and we will add it into the array list present at this stage, whatever this element. Okay, let me write the code, then I will explain you. What I'm saying is, let's say user will provide us input scanner sen equals to scanner system dot in. Okay, int n equals to sen dot int. Okay, we got our input. Now what we have to do is we will receive an array list. Array list of type is string equals to new array list. Okay, no, not new array list. We will receive this array list from get stair path. Okay, and we will pass the number n. Okay, now basically what we have to do, we have to just print str. Okay, now let's write the code for this function. We are having two base conditions. I have explained that if we are having 0 or the value of n is less than 0, negative is not any number. Okay, so if n equals to 0, then we have to write something else. If it's less than 0, then we have to write something. Okay, if n is 0, then what we have to do is we will create an array list. Okay, of type string. Let's name this arr equals to new array list, and we will add an empty string in this. Okay, I have explained this why we are returning empty string, just to determine whether we found 0 or a negative number. Okay, and in this we will simply return an empty array list. We will not add anything in it. Okay, now in this case just return arr. Okay, so this is our base condition. Now what you have to do is we will call this recursion 3 number of times. For n equals to 1, that means it can take 1 jump, 2 jump or 3 jump. Okay, so let me write for 1 jump. Okay, we will receive an array list. For 1 number of jump. Let's let 1. Okay, let's name this 1. We will get an array list stair paths. We have taken 1 number of jump, so n minus 1 stairs are left. N is representing stairs. How many stairs are left? Okay, now we will create another array list which will show that we have taken 2 number of jumps. Okay, if we will take 2 number of jumps, then we will remain with n minus 2 number of stairs. Similarly for 3, get stairs paths n minus 3. Okay, so these 3 array list will get returned by 0 or either negative number. Okay, now what we will do is we will check, or instead of checking, we can create a for loop for string type of value str in 1. Okay, 1. Now what this for loop is doing, this for loop is traversing in the array list named 1. Okay, if the size of 1 is 0, this for loop will not run. Okay, and if the size of 1 is greater than 0, this loop will traverse to its every element, which is basically string type of element. It will traverse to every element, and then what we will do is we will add 1 in front of that element. Okay, so before doing this, let me create my array list. Okay, so what I am going to return, I am creating that array list. My arr equals to new array list. Okay, so this is my array list, and I will add the path which I am getting from my child. Okay, by taking 1 jump, by taking 2 jump, by taking 3 jump, I will add the required the number of jump which we have taken in front of that element. Okay, so my arr dot add, I'm going to add 1 in front of the element which we are returning, which we are getting from this array list. Okay, so what we will write is str. str is the element, and we will add that element by having 1 in front of it. After that, for 2, same code for 2. Okay, we will add dot add 2 in front of that str. Okay, after that, same code, exactly same code for 3, str in 3. Okay, what we will do, we will write 3 in front of here plus str. Okay, now just return my ARR. Let me run this code, then I will explain it more clearly. This is accepted. Now let me get this code. Okay, so where is it? Yeah, this. Let me cut this code. Yeah, yeah, here is our code. Now I will explain this code in front of this tree. Okay, so this tree is very dirty, I know. Let me remove this. Okay, so for 3, we are doing the work for 3. Okay, so this is our traversal for 1 jump, 2 jump, and 3 jump. What we are getting, for 1 jump, 2 stairs will be left. For 2 jump, 1 stair will be left. For 3 jump, 0 stairs will be left. For 2 jump, 1, 2, 3. For 1 number of jump, 1 stair will be left. 0 stair, minus 1. For 1 jump, 2 jump, 3 jump. This will have 0, minus 1, minus 2. Okay, for this one, 1 jump, 2 jump, 3 jump, 0, minus 1, minus 2. Okay, now if we are having n is equals to 0, okay, this is the condition, this and this will return an empty array list. Okay, so this will return an empty array list. That means empty array list. Okay, this is going to return an empty array list. And for -1, -2, we will not consider these cases because for loop will not run for these cases. So we will not take these cases. We will only consider 0th cases. Okay, for 0, we are returning empty string. For this one, what this one will do, this one will add this one in front of this string. So this one is having an array list containing 1. Okay, this 0 will return, this 0 will return an empty array list. Okay, this 0 will return an empty array list. What this 2 will do, simply this one is returning an empty array list containing 1. What this 0 will do, this 0 is returning an array list containing empty string. Okay, we will not consider this -1. So -2 is having 2 array list. For 1 is having 1 and 2 is having empty string. Okay, now what 2 will do, for this array list, this will add 1 in front of it. So our new and my array we will add 1 1. Okay, and for this empty array list, 2 will get added. So 2, this array list will be returned by 2. 2 will return 1 1 1 1 and 2. Okay, 1 1 and 2. Now for this one, this is the same tree which is made here. Okay, you can see this is same tree. Okay, so 1 is returning 1 is simply returning 1. So what this one will return, now I am doing this all this thing for 3 for 3. Okay, 1 will return 1 1 comma 2. This is okay. This 2 will return 1. 2 will return 1, and 3 will return empty string, because here is 0, so this will return empty string. Okay, now what we are going to do, for 1 we will add 1 in front of all these, so our answer will be 1 1 1 comma 1 2. Okay, then we will add 2 in front of this array list, so 2 1 and 3 in front of this array list. So this will be our answer. Let's check it. Answer is, let me run this code again. What was our answer? This will be exactly same, 1 1 1 1 2 2 1 and 3. Okay, 1 1 1 1 2 2 1 and 3. So this is how we are going to solve this problem using recursion. So I hope you guys understood the problem. Thank you.